by itself, I already find it very exciting. I think you have the right people, the right mix of participants, and those who want to showcase their products. I can't think of anything else to improve at this point, except, well, maybe bring in more new technology, bring in more new ideas. I like the fact that there are startups, because they might not be that big. Technology is not 100% foolproof, but then again, everything starts with baby steps.
I'm Gavin Barford. I'm the Chief Technology Advisor of Meralco. Meralco is the largest distribution utility in the Philippines, covering the Metro Manila area with about 6.3 million customers. So in the past few years, we've embarked on this digital transformation, where we've really started to readdress our business models, readdress our technology, and really start utilizing, some of these new communications and IT technologies that are on the market. One of the key things we're looking at is IoT, because for a utility, being able to be connected, being able to see data on the field, being able to retrieve that data is really critical to our operations. So, I enjoy coming along each year to see what's new in the IoT area. And over the past 2 or 3 years, we've really seen this area mature. It's gone from being concept-wise to some real practical products that I think, distribution utilities and other companies can now really put to some good business use.
I think Philippines as a market is definitely very exciting for both banks and insurance. You have a lot of global insurance and banking providers who have their shared services here. At the same time, the banking industry in Philippines itself is going through a huge transformation. So I would say they are catching up with the global European and American trends in terms of how to set up things and how to lead with the digital transformation.
We're also following the 5 pillars on legal matters, technology, organization, capacity building, and cooperation. We're focusing on the cooperation between the ASEAN countries and 8+ countries. And this May, I'll be chairing the ASEAN Defense Ministry meeting on expert working group for cyber security, which will be attended by 18 countries in Cebu.
Many partnership, both local and international law enforcement companies, cybersecurity companies, and schools, academies. So we need those agencies to work together, because we cannot solve this problem alone. They cannot solve their problems alone. Anyone in almost all levels, both the intellectuals, the masses, they can get victimized. So having those partnerships, cybersecurity companies have this technical expertise. We have the law enforcement that can investigate cybercrime.
First thing I would probably recommend is that if you embark on any digital transformation project or journey, first of all, what are you trying to do? Okay, well, it's always okay to be ambitious every time you embark on such a technological, shall we say, advances. I would always say put it in phases. Okay? Because if you want, the big bang approach, where you want to do all 100 items at once, so cut it into phases. Okay, what do you want to achieve first in a relatively short amount of time? Measure it. Okay, you document it. Okay, and then move on to the next phase. But one thing though, do not spend too much time planning. That has been, I would say, the Waterloo of a lot of the IT projects that I have seen.
the advice I often give is PowerPoint is great, but at some point move to something real. And you've got to really start getting your hands on this technology and trying it. Some of the stuff I just mentioned, regarding smart home, also regarding smart city, it's very difficult at the moment to work out exactly what the product will be, exactly what the business case will be. So it's difficult to sort of, understand those things. But instead of spending a long while trying to work them out, we want to get our hands on the technology, run proof of concepts, run trial, work with both the big vendors and the small vendors to try to understand the technology. And then I think the ideas will come, and then the business model will fall out of it and the product will fall out of it. So I think the message I have really is, put the PowerPoint to one side, get some technology, get playing around with it, get trialing, fail and fail fast, learn, move on, and keep iterating through that process until something hits, if you like.
I think first advice is a very conventional advice. Please understand your customer and declutter your processes. Understand what your customer wants. A lot of things such as app, a lot of things such as our customer needs are driven by the external market. The engagement of the audience was definitely good, and in terms of the speakers, pretty informed, and had a broader horizon to have more financial industry participants in the next. We share more specific case studies and insights.